Hi everyone, and happy Wednesday. I am so sorry that this is the first and last time you're going to see me today, but I did not do well at filming the day because really there wasn't much to film, honestly. But I was going to sit down and talk to you guys about the day, talk about what happened today, and talk about tomorrow, what's going on tomorrow. So Vlogmas is supposed to be about real life, so I'm trying to make it as real as possible. And Wednesday is Kroger Day. It's the day I go to Kroger and do my videos for you guys, and that's what Wednesday is pretty much taken up with. It was taken up at school, but now that school's out, it was just Kroger Day. And I did have a doctor's appointment with my family doctor, just a wellness visit. It was finally the last doctor's appointment for December. Like, oh my gosh, I had 3 appointments in a week. Like, it was crazy. But anyways, just follow-up wellness visit. Everything was good. I figured they're going to say try to lose some weight. And I knew that was coming. But after the holidays is when I'm going to try to knock that out again. Because I was doing so good. And then I got sick and lost a bunch of weight that I didn't really need to lose. And then I got under where I'm supposed to be. And then when I said I would start eating again, I went a little crazy. And now I'm back overweight. So, yeah, I ended up talking to her and we figured out a good target for me to get to, and so I'm going to try to do that. A good weight for my height. So that's on the works for 2020. Make sure I want to get to my goal weight in 2020 and stay there, because I was there for a time and then I just went crazy out of control. So, because I was finally able to start eating good food again, I just went crazy. So, yeah. Anyways, so today I did that. I went to Kroger, and at Kroger, I was able to stock up. This is the deal of the day. I'm so excited. On these beans, 4-pack of beans. We would buy this brand. This is the brand of beans we buy. $3.69 for 4 cans. But get this. Kroger had these on clearance for $1.99 for a 4-pack. It's half off. So we actually bought, I think, oh my gosh. I think 20, 25 packs. Because seriously, we will use these all year long, and for that kind of price, that's unbelievable. So, yes, we totally loaded up on the bean deal. That's awesome. That's insane. So, got those beans today, and I did the Kroger video, and a new Ibotta bonus came out for do 25 rebates by Christmas, so not a ton of time. Give back an extra $10. And that's an unbeatable deal. That's an awesome rebate. And I am actually kind of excited for that rebate. I think I'm going to do it. That's a lot, though. And I'm still a little frustrated with Ibotta because I emailed them about the whole Rubbermaid thing, or I put a ticket in, and they just responded with a totally copy and paste saying, did you just forget to submit it? Blah, blah, blah. Here's what you do. You didn't even read my claim. It has nothing to do with the general response you sent me. So I had to send them another reply and hope that they fix it. I'm really annoyed with that. And either tomorrow or Friday is the day I can get a hold of Kroger Cash back. I need to do that. I think I might be able to do it tomorrow. So if I can do it tomorrow, I'll call Kroger Cash back, try to get the money back from them, and that'll all be a go again. That'd be awesome. I really want to do that. So hopefully all the rebates get squared away. There actually are some good deals that I want to do tomorrow, hopefully, either tomorrow or Friday. I know that I also need to go to the store and finish getting baking supplies because I do want to bake some Christmas desserts. I know, that doesn't go along with the diet, but like I said, it's starting after Christmas. I'm not going to punish myself during Christmas. So I want to make some potato candy because I made it 2 years ago and everybody loved it. I didn't make it last year because I was sick, so I couldn't really. With Crohn's, if you didn't know that. And then, what else? I want to make microwave peanut butter fudge, which is the easiest recipe. I'll vlog all that. And then I also want to make just some sugar cookies, probably. Either some sugar cookies or, the thumbprint cookies. But I think it's going to be sugar cookies. So, to have for various holiday outings. Friday, we have Christmas with my grandma and my dad's side of the family. And then Saturday, we have a outing at my mom's cousin's house. Sunday is church. Monday is off. And then Tuesday is Christmas Eve. So I'm going to need desserts. I figured I'd just make them. I might give my grandma some various desserts in her basket or something. So that's something I'll probably do. And then yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So I get into some baking. I need to learn how to actually cook better, like real foods, not just baking, but I'm excited to do some baking. So yeah, what you gonna do? So also tomorrow I need to finish my grandma. I've been thinking about it today and actually come up with some really good ideas after I evaluated what I had already gotten her. And I'll show you guys that tomorrow in the vlog. I am planning on doing a whole video about what I got my family, but I'm not posting it because a lot more of them watch now than they used to. So I don't want anybody to get spoilers, but I know my grandma doesn't even have a computer, so she's not going to watch my video. So I can show you guys that. So I've actually gotten her a lot of stuff, shopping clearance sales, all that kind of stuff, and I actually got her a Walmart gift card to go along with it. So I want to go tomorrow and get her some cheap stuff. And I think I want to hit up Rite Aid because I still have gold discount. I can shop out of the dollar spot, which essentially makes everything 80 cents. So if I go to Rite Aid and shop out of that dollar spot, I can get the dollar items for 80 cents. So I'm kind of inclined to do that at Rite Aid and do that tomorrow. I might go down there or the Dollar Tree or something like that just to kind of get some fillers. And then I would like to get her some bath towels actually to go along. I realized I got her some washcloths at Dollar General for like 20 cents. So I thought about getting her some like bath towels to go along with that. And I'm really beating myself up. I did not get them over Black Friday. I didn't get them at the Kroger sale either because I didn't think we were going to need them. And I checked Kroger today and they were out. So anybody, do you have ideas where I can get the best deal on bath towels? I looked at Walmart online. They're like $4. And I don't want to pay that because I know at Black Friday sales they were like $3. So even cheaper than that with like the 15% off at Kohl's. So I don't want to pay that. So does anybody have any suggestions on where I can get it for cheaper? So for my grandma, like I said, I'm just going to make a big, I'm probably going to get one of those tubs or like laundry basket and just fill it up with practical things because that's what she wants. That's what my grandma wants is a thing of practical stuff. So like I said, I've been saving all year. I try to spend like $100 on the grandparents each, and then a little bit more of my actual parents, and less for my great uncle. I think I did 30 for my great uncle, and I don't exactly know for the cousins. It's their birthdays too, so that kind of was hard to decipher. But I've been saving for Christmas all year, and like I said, my grandma was really hard, but I'm really, really happy that I thought up that basket, and I think it's going to be something she'll really like because she's all about practical. She doesn't want anything else, so I shopped clearances and stuff like that to get her a basket of goodies for under $100. So I'm really, really happy with that. And she'll be set for the whole year, hopefully, on all that stuff. I might go get her some, like, toilet paper. I have a good bit in my stockpile, so maybe I'll give her one of those. I don't know. And some paper towels and stuff like that. Just get her stocked up on useful products that she'll use. So, yeah, I'm excited about that. So I'd like to do that tomorrow, finish up for her. And after that, I am done with Christmas shopping. I'm really excited. I think I did a great job this year. I mean, I'm not trying to brag on myself. I think I did a great job. I did get some Christmas cards today from you guys, from Amy Stotts and Amy H. I don't know if she wants her last name given, so I'm not going to do that. But they were so, so nice. They sent me some Christmas cards with coupons in them. So awesome. Thank you guys so much. I'll try to put those to good use. So yeah, that's on the agenda tomorrow. And other things I want to do, I've been thinking long and hard about potential video ideas, things like that for 2020. And I'm always open to you guys' ideas. If you have them, leave them below. I've been doing the premieres a lot more lately, and I've really been enjoying doing the premieres, which is basically where the video launches and we have the ability to chat during the first time it airs. So I'm on there with you guys, and it's been a lot of fun. Getting that interaction and getting to talk to you all, it's been a lot of fun. So I'm going to try to continue to do that in 2020. As for live streams, I know it's been a hot minute since I've come on with a live. I'd like to bring those back, maybe once a month or something like that. I know I'm not sure when it'll happen in January because our church has like a prayer meeting type thing during the month of January, 10-day thing, revival kind of thing. So I don't know when it'll happen in January, but I would like to bring the lives back at some point, starting in January. So that's a YouTube goal. The abandoned videos, I definitely want to bring those back. I miss them tremendously. I was on a roll. I went out to that hotel on East Pike and got that abandoned Holiday Inn. And that was like the best video abandoned I've ever done. And like after that, I ran out of inspiration. That was the last abandoned I've ever filmed. The Subway one was bulk filmed actually days before that, and I posted it later. And I was bummed because I really, really wanted to do more abandons, but I've been struggling. To my locals, or to any of you guys, the Longaberger baskets. I don't know if anybody knows what those were. They were like made in Zanesville-ish area, Dresden, but it's the next little town, village over. And I went to the Longaberger Homestead, which was a major thing they had here. It was like a tourist attraction. It was like a shopping, eating, make your own basket, like destination kind of place. And it was shuttered when the company went out of business. And I went there. I was like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. I got there. It was untouched. It was dilapidating. I'm serious. It was really falling down, like apart, some of those buildings. And they had no trespass signs everywhere. And I was not gonna, I know people don't care, but I was not about to get in trouble for going on their private property with the no trespassing signs. Wasn't gonna do that. I was scared what could happen if they saw I made a video of it, so I just did not do it. So, didn't do that. And I really wanted to, because that was very heavily requested under the local Zanesville group. People said Longaberger would be awesome to film. I thought about filming the big basket that's over in the Newark area, but I didn't end up doing that because it just got bought out by a hotel, so that's really not abandoned anymore. But I do have ideas for 2020. I definitely want to bring the abandons back because I love them. So on the list right now is a abandoned dollar store that actually has been gone for as long as I can remember in Zanesville on Pine Street. And it's actually called Christian Dollar. And I don't know what's up with that, but it's been abandoned for years. So I really would like to film that. I'm going to try to find some info on the place, history, that kind of thing. I'd love to do the Christian Dollar store place that's been abandoned for like 10 years. And I'm trying to think there's more places I do want to film. It's just hard. The abandons are very hard. So I'd like to aim in 2020 to have an abandoned video every single month. Once a month. That's the goal I'm setting. So we'll see if that happens. And I love them. Those are like my favorite ones. I love the abandons. So I don't want to give that up. But in this area, it is hard to find places to film. So, yes. So that's a goal in 2020. I don't know why this video turned into goals, but I told you it's Let's Chit Chat. That's what it's called. We're just chatting about everything. Of course, Kroger's not going anywhere. That's here to stay. That's the main, that's this channel pretty much, is Kroger. Kroger videos. Ibotta stuff, that's not ending by any means. But something in 2020 I do want to throw in is the Walmart matchups video, like we did yesterday. I think that was very good and very useful to do a Walmart matchups video. Whether that's in store every week or at home, I don't know. I like doing the Ibotta hauls, but there are times that I don't do all the deals. Some of you guys might want to do due to like, I'm not going to use that product or blah, blah, blah. I'd rather just throw in a video for you all. So I think that's what I'm going to keep doing. One of those a week is a goal. Ad previews for Kroger. I know I started quick flips, but I think the quick flip thing is kind of going away. And the savings, like the countdown to savings thing for the entire year is ruined. My Mac kept bringing up a message saying that there was no space left on my computer. So it showed me all these files that have been untouched. And I was like, oh, I looked through them, scanned it. And I was like, oh, there's none there I need. My folder with every single haul picture of 2019 was in there. Did not see it. And I clicked delete. It's gone. So that's gone. And I'm devastated about that. So 2019 savings is not going to happen anymore, that video. And I'm really bummed about it because I worked so hard all year. But we are going to start it back in 2020. And I'm going to try to figure out a more intentional way. I know I've been excluding things from the couponing budget and the grocery budget and all that. I'm going to try to figure out an easier way for myself to explain that away and everything like that. I'm working in 2020 on stuff like that. And there will be actually an official goals video where I'll sit down and maybe chat with you guys about all this. But I decided to do it tonight. So really not too many changes. And new printables, I do want to continue to do them as long as we keep getting new printables. This is like the first Sunday in like years that I don't remember there being new printable coupons on a Sunday. So it was super odd, but that was an issue this week. So that's where my thoughts have been at. I really do want to come back with abandons. And who knows, there could be, I want to do the lives again. Like I said, that's not ending at all. But I'm just really excited. And I'm thinking that 2020 is going to be a great year for the couponing. And in 2020, my own couponing, I want to keep I want to find ways to save on everything. Like, when I first started this year, I was paying full price for electric toothbrushes. I was getting my toilet paper at Sam's Club. I want to keep finding ways to get these things for couponing and not really spend too much money on it. So that's my goal for 2020 for couponing. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Tomorrow, I promise, I'm going to make it a good vlog. Because like I said, I got to get some loose ends tied up for Christmas, wrapping gifts, getting my grandma's basket together. I need to run to Walgreens or CVS or somewhere to get a picture printed off for a gift. And I'm just really excited for tomorrow. I think it could be a good day. So I'm really looking forward to that. So yeah, that's all I got for now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.